When 40 winters shall besiege thy brow, and dig deep trenches in thy beauty's field, the youth proud of the worry, so gazed on now, will be a tattered reed of small worth held. Then being asked where all thy beauty lies, where all the treasures of thy lusty days, you say, within thy own deep sunken eyes, were an all-eating shame and witless praise. How much more praise deserve thy beauty's use, if thou couldst answer, this there child of mine shall sum my count and make my old excuse, proving his beauty by succession trying. It's worth to be new made when thou art old, and see thy blood warm when thou feelst cold.